some important tips about learning to speak in English. English is a language of the English, the British. It is spoken and followed all over the world. It is a passport for the whole world. It has a credibility of being an international language. It is a language of trade and commerce. It is a language of capitalism. Reading and writing in English has become a habit as books and periodicals in English travel globally. It is a convenient vehicle of information and thought. Although English cannot replace a native language of a place, it has gained a good following over the last 2 decades. Can you speak in English? Can you speak it fluently? Have you come across any opportunity at college or school to interact with the people around you in English? A majority of such people who otherwise are good at English land themselves in some embarrassing situation when they are unable to render a single sentence in English. Obviously, they feel jealousy when they see someone speaking fluently in English. I feel jealous if I find someone speaks better than me in English. I can read everything that comes across me in English. I've finished my schooling in English and now the medium of instruction at college too is English. I have to write every time in English. I know I make mistakes, but when it comes to speaking, my confidence backs out. I'm at a bay. I'm not able to speak a single sentence. As a teacher of English language, and after making a thorough study of teaching and learning methodology, I gathered that learning a language is not difficult. It is not the curriculum that is difficult, but the teaching fraternity who made it so. Perhaps they worked on a different approach. They might have been told to do so. However, learning a language is not a problem. Anyone can learn it at any time, in any age. A score of methods of learning a language are available. Language education has made tremendous development in this direction. Leaving translation and grammar method behind, one can use immersion method, direct method, communicative method, and of course, multi-intelligence technique to learn a language. Language is a habit. One can cultivate the habit of speaking or talking in English through persistent practice. As elsewhere, practice does not always make a man perfect. It can make a man imperfect also. Practice of perfect things will make you perfect. And for this, you need to pay heed to the correct practice. Mostly our Indian students suffer due to variation in accent and pronunciation, since they don't bother to consult sources for correct pronunciation. Although correct pronunciation of every word is part of every dictionary, they seldom check the pronunciation. Pay attention to the following. If you want to speak in English, don't wait. Start speaking. When in doubt, go to the source material that is a good dictionary and listening to the correct sound of the word carefully. These days, e-dictionaries are available and one can use them on their PCs or cell phones. Spend your free time in reading an English fiction. Read at least daily a standard English newspaper. When you're reading something alone, practice voice recording. For a good command over English, think in English. When alone, when you're thinking, think aloud and use English as your language of thinking. Don't bother about your errors and mistakes. Try speaking fluently. You never learned to walk straight when you were a child. Don't think of grammar rules when speaking in English. You just take care of rules of grammar and understand their application. Why and when necessary. Grammar will take care of your language habits. Try speaking in English with your friends or friendly circles. Listen to English talks, discussions, and news from news desks like BBC. Your listening will improve your speaking. Last of all, don't hesitate. Leave all your hesitations at home. Flush them out of your life. When alone, spend just 30 minutes daily in speaking in English. Listen to your own recordings to improve your accent. Where your word power fails, try body language like facial expressions and hands, etc., to make up your loss of word.